Hey guys, today we're at Crewe. The first train today is going to be 175, 108. This should be leaving now. Yeah, is it not coming here, yeah?
Stockport and Preston. This train is formed of 9 coaches.
Our second train of today is platform 7, and it is the 15:11 service to Shrewsbury.
Platform 7 from the 15:20 Transport for Wales.
It is
Shrewsbury.
150 231.
Crewe, Yorton and Shrewsbury. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Wembley, Crewe and Yorton are request stops, and passengers at these stations should ask the conductor of the train to arrange the train stop to allow them to arrive.
We've got a 390 Pendolino coming in now at 15:11 at 15:13. Is this going straight through or no? 390 050. So coming up now is the Edinburgh New Street, 1519, 350 in London North Western livery. It is 350 113. At the moment we are waiting on this Virgin Pendolino. I think this one's going to come in through it at speed, or I'm not sure, to be honest. So This is 390 155. I think behind me, the 158 828 is leaving any second now. Sorry about that. Okay, 390 155 is leaving now. Well, the 158 still here. In the distance ahead, I can see some. I actually think I know what that is. That might be a zoomer from what it looks like over here. Oh, here we go. I think this is leaving now. So 158 to 828 is leaving now. Next train is the Class 350 in the new London North Western livery. Pigeon, you're gonna get run over. There's a pigeon down there being silly on the track. Pigeon's gonna get run over. Oh no, the pigeon's actually gonna get run over. Oh! The pigeon just got run over. Oh my god, that's insane. The pigeon literally just got run over. Oh, that is disgusting. So this is 350 245. Okay, the London North Western Class 350 245 is leaving now. Hope the pigeon's okay, because it did just get run over, but don't know why it's not moving. Oh, I think the driver's just switching sides. Why is there zigzags on the line? Comment down below if you know why, but yeah. But also shout out to Mr. Thrash 37. Well, my newest subscriber. So yeah, shout out to him.
Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. This train is full of 4 coaches.
Don't know why this is not moving. Okay, we have another 350 coming along here. This one's in the old livery, whereas this one's in the new livery. This one's still not moved, but guess we'll wait for this one. I'm gonna get my tripod out in a minute, I think, because I'm tired of stood up. Oh, that one's going over there, isn't it? Is it? I think so. Yeah, I'll just leave that one. Wait for this one now then. I don't know what this one's doing. I think the city there, so those buffers must be decently old. So yeah, I don't know why this is not moving. Yeah, the one over there is 350, 250. Don't know why this one's still not moving, but I'll wait till it does. We have another 175 coming now. This one's going to Manchester Piccadilly. So this one is 157010. This one forms of 2 coaches, unlike the other one which was formed of 3. And London North Western in the new livery still. Okay, now coming in is the Virgin Super Voyager. $15.40 Virgin Super Voyager to, I'm not sure at the moment, Holyhead. Whoa, what livery is this in? It is Super Voyager, but oh, it's in the Bombardier livery. Can't quite see it, but I think, oh yeah, 221115. Okay, our next train is the 390 Pendolino to Liverpool Lime Street. Can't see it yet, so I can see it up ahead, but it's not really easy to see.
Wolverhampton, Smith, Porton Bridge and Birmingham New Street. This train is full of 4 coaches.
Now we've got a Pendolino. To kneel down on here because
Platform 6 on the 1543 Virgin Trains service to Liverpool Lime Street. With Runcorn and Liverpool Lime Street. This train is full of 11 coaches. Platform 1 on the 15.
this is 390-126. And then come in on Our platform is 350 in London North Western. Livery.
This train is full of 3 coaches. Platform 6, 1450, 43, 11 coach, Virgin Pennsylvania, Continental 9 Streets, holding out. First class that being written on the train
Is 350 120.
Platform 11 for Chester, Flint, Crustaceo Hill, Colwyn Bay, London Junction, Roundabout, Holyhead. Platform 11 for Chester and Holyhead.
Guys, the last train for today it's going to be 153 384 and which is a East Midlands trains, and oh sorry, one sec, just going up here. Can't see, guys, I'm gonna have to go all the way to the front. Thing is, we're leaving in a minute, so it's quite risky going all the way down here because then I have to make it all the way back up. So yeah, the last train for today is 153 357. So they're the 2 last trains for today. I need to leg it back.